Keep the transmission clean for easier inspection. Loose transmission bolts can cause various issues, such as fluid leaks, vibration, and potential damage to the transmission or its components. A transmission fluid leak can lead to serious transmission damage if not addressed promptly. Common causes include worn seals and gaskets, damaged cooling lines, and a loose or damaged transmission pan. To check for damaged or loose hydraulic lines on a transmission, visually inspect the hoses and fittings for leaks, cracks, and signs of wear. Damaged or loose hydraulic lines can lead to leaks, loss of hydraulic pressure, and ultimately, transmission failure. Visually examine the wiring harness, connectors, and terminals for signs of damage, corrosion, or wear. Look for frayed wires, exposed insulation, burn marks, or loose connections. The transmission breather allows for pressure and moisture exchange within the automatic transmission as the fluid expands and contracts due to temperature changes. Checking it involves ensuring the breather is unobstructed and properly connected to prevent damage from pressure buildup or moisture contamination. A visual check of automatic transmission cables in a hydraulically controlled valve body system involves inspecting the shifter cable and the modulator cable and their connections for any signs of damage, wear, or looseness, which can affect gear shifting.